Have you been using your Maribank and wonder how can I get qualified with the Maribank credit card? Maybe you have already opened a Maribank account, maaring ginagamit mo na to save and transact, but still you cannot see the Maribank credit card option. Or probably you are planning to open a Maribank account at iniisip mo, what should I do first? Well, you are in the right place. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa Crisel Morales Studio, your online personal financial advisor. Welcome to my simple dining table. Currently, I'm doing my budgeting for the month of September. Pero eto, gagawa muna tayo ng content because after this video, ang dami nyo ng mga tanong. Paano i-turn ang credit card mode sa Maribank? How can I get qualified with the Maribank credit card? And many more. So, in today's video, we're talking about how to get qualified with the Maribank credit card. Excited ka ba? So, ang number one question, what are the requirements? Ano nga ba yung tricks or techniques to improve my credit profile? Dito sa ating studio, there is no sugar coating. There is no secret formula or guaranteed trick that will automatically get you approved. So, paano? That is another question. Of course, kailangan meron ka munang Maribank account. Make sure nakapag-download ka na ng app and then nakapag-register ka na rin. So, of course, kapag sinabi nating registration, kailangan natin ng valid ID. Yan ang number one. The onboarding process includes signing up, facial verification, uploading your valid ID, completing your personal information. Once your account is successfully opened, you can start using Maribank's banking services. Alright, take note of this one. It does not mean to say na meron ka ng Maribank account, automatic meron ka na ring Maribank credit card. The credit card function of the Maribank requires separate application and approval. So, don't get confused. Okay? Once you have already downloaded the Maribank account, nakapag-register ka na, go to the cards section at tignan mo kung binigyan ka na ni Maribank ng credit card option. Alright, to help you start with your Maribank, okay, itutur ko kayo sa loob ng app. Wow. Right? Let's get started. Once you open your account, ito yung makikita mo. And then sa bottom part, may nakalagay, Mari Credit Card. Check how to unlock Mari Credit Card. You tap that at ang susunod mong makikita, eto. Sa next slide, sorry, Mari Credit Card is not yet available to you. However, sa baba, meron tayong makikita, get a head start. So sa baba niyan, makikita natin, pre-registration form. You have to tap that. And after tapping that, makikita mo naman itong slide na to. Sabi, thank you for your interest in the Maribank credit card, blah, blah, blah. And at the bottom, meron tayong makikita na arrow pointing right. You have to tap that and dadalhin ka dito. Mari Credit Card Interest Form. So dito, what is your preferred credit limit for Mari Credit Card? Mamimili ka, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000. Of course, huwag muna tayong mag-aim ng masyadong malaking credit limit. So itap natin yung nasa katamtaman lang. So let's tap 50,000. And then again, tap the arrow pointing right. And after that, my second question, do you currently hold a credit card with another bank? Sagutin mo lang ng yes or no. Depende kung may credit card ka sa ibang bangko. And after that, tap again the arrow pointing right and dadalhin ka dito. Mari Credit Card Interest Form. Thank you. Thank you for answering our Mari Credit Card Interest Form. Those are all questions we have for you today. If you have any questions about the form, you may chat with us live on Maribank app. Yan ang makikita natin sa ating Maribank app kapag hindi pa tayo qualified. But once you get qualified, you will be able to see this in your app. Mari Credit Card. May mga questions akong nababasa na sinasabi, ang tagal naman hanggang ngayon wala pa akong Maribank Credit Card. Well, let's go back. First things first. When you apply for a financial product, make sure that your personal information is accurate, complete, and up-to-date. Especially yung mga contact information mo, yung address mo, yung email mo. Importante na tama yung nailagay mong pangalan and your address. And as what I've said a while ago, contact information is also very important. Kailangan active lahat. Reachable, in other words. Next question, why is my information important? Because Maribank will validate the information you submitted against information available to the bank and other sources. So please do not put inaccurate information. Tamang infos lang ang ilalagay natin sa ating application. Wrong information will not increase your chance of approval. Ang hinahanap ng bangko, hindi lang si Maribank, yung totoong information, accurate, para pag na-validate at existing talaga, you have a bigger chance and opportunity to get qualified and approved with a credit card. Hindi lang sa Maribank, sa kahit na anong bangko. Remember, a credit card is a credit facility, kaya tinitignan ni bangko yung credit worthiness ng isang applicant. So, if you are really serious about getting approved, not only by Maribank, but sa lahat ng mga credit card issuers, your overall credit behavior matters. Example, if you already have credit cards from other banks, avoid repeatedly making late payments. Kailangan on time palagi. And eto very important, avoid unnecessary maxing out of your available credit. Your loans, credit card loans, personal loans, manage them responsibly. Once you are truthful and honest with your information and with your intention, I'm pretty sure you will get approved with Maribank credit card. Maghintay ka lang. Again, I say, patience is a virtue. So once approved ka na, eto yung marireceive mong information from Maribank. Congratulations! You are now approved! Alright, so there you go. Natapos na po tayo for our content for today. Kung na-inspire ka at natuwa ka sa ating content, mag-comment ka naman ng Go Mari! Maraming salamat for tuning in and sana mas-share nyo din ang content natin for today para magkaroon din ng information ng mga kakilala natin, mga kaibigan natin, mga kapamilya natin. Because once you get approved with Maribank, ang baba lang kasi ng finance charge niya. Kaya, get inspired and always be patient. Remember, patience is a virtue. Darating yan, ma-approve ka din. Sana makapag-subscribe ang mga dumadaan lang sa ating YouTube channel. Always tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Maraming salamat. And remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!